Hey designer, in this tutorial we will explore FreeCAD 1.0 fillet tool to make your 3D design. Let's set up our practice model. Switch to Path Design Workbench. This is Path Design Workbench. After that, choose to create sketch. You can choose base plan for your sketch. I will choose XY plan. I will make a rectangular sketch. That 50, 30, after the sketch is finished, you can close the sketch. After that, you can click Path to extrude the sketch. I will Path 30 for the dimension. I will change the dimension. There is 15. Click OK. Yeah, this is the fillet tool icon. To make a fillet on an edge, face or body, click it. Fill the dimension. I will fill 5 for the radius. Choose the edge. Click select. After that, choose the edge. You can click view preview to check the model. This is for 5mm radius. We can try again in other face. I will make 2mm radius. I choose the edge 1, 2, 3, 4. After that, click preview. Yeah, this is the 2mm fillet. Click OK. Yeah. Chamfer used for 1. Reducing stress concentration. 2. To easier part assembly. in the manufacture industry. 3. To safety. The term fillet, I'm sorry for the explanation, fillet can eliminate sharp edges. Yeah, now it's your turn to try. Share your result in the comment. If this helped, click the like button. I hope you enjoy my video. See you in the next video. Thanks.